30 students out of the 48 have no children. This answer is already approximated to the nearest thousandths position, 0.625. Multiplying this number by 100 moves the decimal place 2 spaces to the right. 62.5% of the class has no children. What percent of the class has one child? Eight students out of the 48 students have one child. Approximating this number to the nearest thousandths means that this third 6 makes the second 6 a 7. The answer is 0.167. Multiplying this number by 100 simply moves the decimal 2 spaces to the right. (16.7% of the class has one child. What percent of the class has two children? Six students out of 48 have two children. This answer is already approximated to the nearest thousandths. Multiplying this number by 100 moves the decimal 2 spaces to the right. (12.5% of the class has exactly two children. What percent of the class has three children? Four students out of 48 have three children. The first 3 is in the thousandths position. The 3 to the right of it means we leave this 3 alone. The answer is 0.083. Multiplying this number by 100 moves the decimal to the right 2 spaces. (8.3% of the class has exactly 3 children. This table is a percentage table. 62.5% of the class have 0 children. 16.7% has exactly 1 child. 12.5% has 2 children, and 8.3% have 3 children. What percent of the class has at least 1 child? At least 1 means 1 or more. The 1 is at least 1. The 2 is at least 1. And the 3 is at least 1. So if you had 1 or 2 or 3 children, you have at least 1 child. Take the 16.7, 12.5, 8.3, and add these percentages. $16.7 plus 12.5 plus 8.3. It's 37.5. .5% of the class has at least one child. What percent of the class has at least 2 children? At least 2 means 2 or more. The 2 is at least 2, and the 3 is at least 2. So if you had 2 or 3 children, you had at least 2 children. Take the 12.5 and the 8.3 and add these percentages. $16.7 plus 12.5 plus 8.3. $12.5 plus 8.3 $20.8. .8% of the class has at least 2 children. What percent of the class has less than 1 child? Less than 1. Less than 1 means smaller than 1. The only data value that is smaller than 1 is 0. 62.5% of the class. .5% of the class has less than 1 child. What percent of the class has less than 2